What's up everybody? In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up static IP address on a Mac computer. First thing we need to do, we need to open System Preferences, and in System Preferences, double click on Network. And in here, we need to select our connection type. I'm connected through the Wi-Fi, so I'm just going to click on a Wi-Fi. But if you connect it to the Ethernet, you'll have to click Ethernet. And then we need to click on Advanced. And in here, at this window, we need to click on TCP. And right here, we're just going to have to change from using DHCP, we'll have to change to set up manually. But before I'm going to do that, I'm going to set up DNS because by some reason, if I'm changing that first, it's not letting me type DNS address. So right here, what we need to do, we either need to just type 192.168.1.1 DNS address because this is default IP of our router. And then I'm going to add one more, the one that is used by Google, 8.8.8.8. And then in here, I'm going to click on TCP IP and I'm going to change from using DHCP. I'm going to set to manual. And in here, we need to set up manual IP address. For example, if you already know which IP address you can use, make sure it's not in a DHCP pool. And if it's a DHCP pool, it needs to be set into reserve. So for example, I'm going to use 192.168.1.9. I know this one is not in DHCP pool. And then I'm going to press OK. And right here, I'm going to click Apply. And once you see right here, the IP address is .9. What we're going to do, we're going to open Safari internet browser, and then we're going to click on Apple website, for example. And you can see that everything is up and running. And I have set up static IP address. If we go back here, we're going to click again on a Wi-Fi connection or Ethernet, and then click on Advanced, and then TCP IP. And right here, you can see that mine is set up manually or it's a static IP address. If this video was helpful to you, press that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.